What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Camaro. Yeah, it's past the first few hundred miles, so I'm gonna drop the brake-in oil, swap the intake to another Victor Jr. with the rectangle ports for those heads. But it's only because I did a hack repair just to run it and get some braking miles on it. Though it didn't leak, it looks ugly as hell. So let me show you guys. Well, as you guys can see right there, that's a JB Weld, water weld, and quick heat. It did not leak at all. And I have over 100 miles in the motor. And I called my engine builder, asked him what I should do. He said, run a few hundred miles on it and swap the intake. But that goes to show, if you're willing to do it and get it running, not right, it won't leak if you prep it right. So JB Weld does work. But other than that, swap the intake, drop the brake-in oil, pull the foot to see what it looks like. Oh, my flashlight just died. But anyways, other than that, I'll pull you guys back around when I start pulling this apart and swap the intake. Guys, here's where we're at. All I gotta do is pull the bolts out of the intake and I'll have this thing off. Yeah, so here's a better look at that JB Weld fix I did real quick. That is water weld and quick weld and high heat all in one, and it worked for 100-something miles. It doesn't leak yet. I think it did a little bit, but other than that, it got me through 100 miles. I'm gonna drop the oil anyways, swap this intake over it, and I'll grab the new one in a minute once I have that one off. Get the intake off. I'm sorry I'm all over the place, but I'm slowly tapping, cleaning out these holes because silicone goes through. I know these four, but I put silicone around here and it always gets up on the bolt. But yeah, so far so good. And I got that side roughly clean. I'll go back with some acetone, clean up after that. But yeah, so far so good. No damaged threads. That's a healed intake. I can't believe JB Weld held up. Look at that. Oh, that looks ugly. But yeah, get you guys back up, show you where I'm at. I'll get you guys back around and get ready to slap everything back together. Well guys, there's the new intake. That is a Victor Jr. rectangle port heads. I got a trash bag over the valley underneath the intake to keep shit out of it. But there's your part number. Right there, 2902. Can you believe that's $500? That's insane. I guess bid blocks, they're expensive, but that does look a lot better. Those Velcros, I need to clean them up again. But other than that, tomorrow I'm gonna do one final pass over everything, make sure everything's clean. So glad I got rid of this. Yeah. But you can tell this thing's old. It's been my dad's intake. He's kept it on the first setup of this motor, and I just kept it until I had an issue. I tapped all the bolt holes in the heads where your intake bolts go through. Cleaned out a lot of gunk. But other than that, that's what I got front of Cal hood. Even I got one a card switch. I think it's 2-inch. Could be wrong, maybe 1-inch. With that Holly on top of the air cleaner, barely clears. But yeah. Other than that, everything's great. Well guys, I should get a tripod and record what I'm doing while I'm doing my work. But yeah, other than that, thing plopped down really easily. Took my time, making sure everything was tight. Now I can pop my hood without the ugly JB Weld repair plain in sight. Now if it was under the plenum, I'd have lived with it. But it was right there, and I could not live with it. I did spend $500 on a new Victor Jr. But damn, man, I'm not complaining at all. It's a really, really cool intake. Some might say it's not good for the street. Race car, you drive wherever you want. This is a true street car. Street quarters, real VIN. You know what I mean. Not on a street tire though. But other than that, woo. Just gotta drop the intake, fucking the distributor tomorrow. I am not putting any coolant in this thing till tomorrow. What time is it? About 3:30, because I let that stuff cure and nothing happens to it, and it doesn't leak at all. So far so good. If you guys are wondering, 830 CFM HP, badass carburetor. Thing hauls ass with it. Other than that, that's where I'm at, guys. Alright guys, I just got done timing it, put the hood back on. Let's listen to this. Doesn't sound that bad at all. Sounds pretty freaking good. 21 degrees initial, 36 total. Watch this carburetor snap. Running cool. Yes, sir. Running great. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the video this week. JB Weld will work in a pinch. Learned that because that original intake my dad put on this engine. But other than that, car runs great. You heard it running. It pulls hard. No coolant leaks, no oil leaks. Just dropped the brake-in oil after a little over 100 miles. No issues, no oil pressure issues, no knocking, no noise. I can't be happy with the big block being back in it. But yeah, I don't know what to do next with the car. I am going to take it to the drag strip, see what it runs now with the new setup. It was fast with the old setup, without knowing it was hurt when I last time took it to the track. Now we got to see what it does when it's a healthy motor again. But other than that, there's the car. Make sure you guys watch and subscribe.